everyone, today I have Birchbox versus Ipsy for the month of February. So I thought we'd jump in and start with Birchbox and see what's in the box this month. This is the box this month. And I'm not entirely like thrilled with the way it looks. I mean, it's okay. Follow your heart messages on the card. And first things first is a perfume by Toka or Taka. And it's Stella. I think I've seen this one before. It says it's orange. It doesn't smell bad. It does smell very orange, so I don't mind this one so much, but I'm not a big fan of perfume. Then there is the Balance Wonder Eye Cream. And this is $29 for a full size. Brightens eyes and banishes under eye circles. It has coconut, rosehip, and carrot oils. So that might be good. It's kind of a big sample. I don't know how full it is. Then the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. I've actually had this before. I'm not really a big fan of this. I mean, it's okay. I just feel like I've had this sample before. Full size would be $39. It's a bronzed pearl and hyaluronic acid to boost radiance primer. And it's okay, but I feel like a lot of companies gave out these samples. Then there is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. It's full size $26. So is this a spray? Okay, it's a spray. I was gonna say, if it's not a spray, that would be horrible. And yeah, so that looks okay. And then there's a Marcel mascara, which I don't really like this brand, so I'm not really excited about this mascara, but I might try it, but it's not anything like special to me. And then the last thing is Foreo Day and Night Cleanser AM and PM. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not excited about this either because I don't wash my face in the morning. I only wash it at night to take off my makeup and stuff. I feel like washing it 2 times a day is too much for my face, but I will try it. But I feel like one-time use is not really enough to see if you like skincare. So this month's Birchbox was kind of disappointing. The leave-in conditioner seems nice, but that's really the only thing I'm like really interested in trying that much. It's just kind of a disappointing box this month. Maybe Ipsy will be better. First thing is a Meteor Shower black like scrub. This looks really neat. Oh, and this is the bag. I love the bag this month. The little suede with the lace. It's cute. But this is nice. I really love exfoliant. So it says avoid your face. So it's like a body scrub. And it's really gritty. And I feel like the grittier, the better. So I think that I'm going to like this stuff. Ooh, this is nice. This is a brush. It's a Luxie brush. It says it's number 249. And it's got like this packer type brush, lid brush, I guess. I don't know how to call it. I'm not a brush expert. And then like a blending brush on the other end. And these are really soft. And I do have one other Luxie brush that I really like. It's a blending brush, but this is nice. And I like that it has 2 sides. So I'm definitely going to take this traveling with me at the end of the month. Then there's Lychee and Gold Healthy Rose Gold Blush by Seraphine Botanicals. A pretty color. I've never heard of this brand. This is the cap. It has a smell. It has a very light pinky peachy color. It's nice though. I think it's a nice kind of sheeny blush. It reminds me of NARS Orgasm blush, but that's what it looks like. Close up. It's a nice color. So that's nice. It has like a fruity smell. Very strange. Then there is Sands and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying Pink Clay Mask. And I feel like this is just going to dry me out. So I may as well wait till summer to use this. I feel like I got another like mask like this recently and I didn't even use it. Then there is, ooh, Marsk Foiled Again eyeshadow. It's like loose glittery gray eyeshadow. Pretty. I'm just gonna have to show you at the bottom of the pot because I can't open it because there's a green thing. It's got like loose grayish glitter. I think it looks pretty in the pot. I'm excited to try that. I guess I should swatch it. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. It's swatched. So it's got this silvery grayish like metallic. It's pretty. It's definitely gonna be a more messier eyeshadow. And then there's one more thing, or not. There's not one more thing. There's a card. Unzipped Ipsy, embracing everything that you are. So that's the card this month. So I definitely feel like if this was a battle video, Ipsy totally won. I like the brush, I like the exfoliant, I like the blush and the little eyeshadow. And in Birchbox, I really didn't like much except for the leave-in conditioner, which I'm not excited about. It's not something I would have sought out to try on my own. But I definitely love the brush in my Ipsy bag, so that in and of itself makes this bag a winner for me. So I'm much happier with my Ipsy this month than Birchbox, which is strange, but it's also okay, I guess. Hopefully Birchbox redeems themselves next month. I feel like my last couple boxes have been eh. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.